23 got a drum. 392 slide the bomber beat, play you get stoned.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy SRTified.JD back with another video, man. Now, I'm finna go get my haircut right now. But I'm finna get this driving POV for y'all while I'm on the way to get my haircut. Cause I just copped this new, well, I ain't just copped this, I'm borrowing it, I ain't gonna lie. But this GoPro, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna give y'all a good POV of me driving the Scat, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all some pulls. Let y'all see how the Autobahn is in Germany, no speed limit. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a cooler video. But before we get into this video, man, shout out to Mr. Goddammit and Sean Armour, bro. Mr. Goddammit, for the people who don't know, he a YouTuber. He got like 155,000 subscribers, like 55,000 followers on Instagram. And he shouted me out on his page, you know what I'm saying? So, shout out to him just because that's just love. You got a platform that big, you know what I'm saying? They typically don't mess with folks on the come up. Especially not YouTubers for real, because I get it, like people be BSing, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to waste your time trying to help nobody that don't want to be helped, you know what I'm saying? So I get it, but shout out to him for that, bro, because he showed love doing that. And then, man, shout out to Sean Armour. They hit me up with a sponsorship deal to like sponsor me, kind of, or get me to promote their stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I'll be making money from them, you feel me? So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the promo code and everything that's gonna come with that, bro. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to y'all just because I couldn't do this if y'all didn't watch me. I couldn't do nothing if people didn't support me. So I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? I hadn't made it yet, but I told y'all we on the way to the top. I'm telling you, SRTified.JD is on the way to the top, man. I'm telling you, bro. Y'all, you just gotta believe in it. I believe it and it's happening. You feel me? So yeah, man, but I ain't finna talk to y'all too much, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know we got the Scat in the back. Whew. Scat on the back, Scat in the back. Y'all know we got the Scat, man. We finna get up out of here, man. Alright, man, so we driving right now. What the world? This man, them folks really under the truck. But we driving right now, man, as you see. The car ain't in sport mode yet, so I'm gonna put it on sport mode when we hit the Autobahn. Actually, I'm putting sport right now. I'll let y'all see my dyno. So this is one of my favorite things about the Scat, man. They got the performance pages where you see like how much horsepower you putting down and stuff. It's just cool to look at, you know what I'm saying? But when I get on this Autobahn, I'm gonna punch it. Y'all kind of see what that performance pages do. And I really hope this giving y'all a good view, cause I don't know what this camera looking at right now. Cause once you put it on your head, it's over with, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see, man. Hope it come out good. But as you see, it's a nice day in Germany, man, you know what I'm saying? Finna hit this Autobahn, no speed limit in the Scat. I might hit my top speed today. We about to see. Got the thing in sport. Y'all hear the exhaust, hold on. Y'all kinda see how dark the tint is. Man, we're in 4th gear right now. You know what I'm saying? 4th gear. Get y'all a good little pull. Hitting the Autobahn, no speed limit. Drop it down. So in Germany, man, like the left lane is the fast lane, the right lane you just ride it, you know what I'm saying? Like the chilling lane. So we chilling at about 110 right now. Hold on, that's kilometers, that's miles per hour, y'all. Stop and see how good this video is, and then we're gonna continue, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I think I got it set up good now. I ain't like too much how it look, you know what I'm saying? Autobahn is. It's really more chill than people think. You know what I'm saying? Like people hear no speed limit and think people just be on here going crazy. I mean, some people do. I go crazy sometimes, but yeah, most of the time, bro, you just chilling. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice road. It's long. It's quiet. It's quiet, but it ain't quiet. But you get what I'm saying? It's just a calming. It's just calm. You know what I'm saying? Autobahn ain't even all that crazy stuff. It ain't like the city. You know what I'm saying? I like it. So that's what it's like, bro. You know what I'm saying? This stretch right here is what I hit top speed at on my Mustang. In my Mustang, I mean. So, I might, you know what I'm saying? You never know, it could be a top speed coming for the Scatty, man. I think my top speed right now like 135 or something like that. But I've been chilling though, I ain't really been driving for real, like, you know what I'm saying? I still been breaking the car in even though I've been doing donuts, you know what I'm saying? My pedal commander, man, and my oil catch can, so that's gonna give us a little bit, like, make the car feel more like, you know what I'm saying, how I want it, kind of, you know, because I hate having to push the pedal so far, because I ain't used to that in my Mustang, you know what I'm saying. Let's see, man, I don't even want to put it in manual mode. I just want to ride this just like this. Miles per hour, so. Bro. Oh my God. We at 120, we was at like 120 something, but this car just hopped away from behind this truck. Alright, we good now. This Scat ride so smooth, bro. Damn, my exit right here, man. Alright, man, so our drive got cut a little short, you know what I'm saying? That's how you break them Brembros in, man. Put them to use. Downshift, though. Ooh, I know there's a lot of brake dust I gotta get out my rims. I got in third gear. That man just swerved hard. Should I turn up right here for y'all? Oh, hold on, my boy. You're cutting that thing too close. I would turn up right here, but it's a lot of cars. You know, these people. Germans be snitching, man. People be snitching, period. Oh my God, all these cars. I'm finna have to low-key Bogart. Come on, man. It be so funny seeing these people. I can't even go till they go. But I think the GoPro holding up pretty nice. I think we got a good little view. I hope y'all got a good view. These Charger headlights look so aggressive, bro. But hey, man, while we sitting here, man, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe for me. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, you see how far the car lifted up off the ground, bro? Felt like we about to pop a wheelie, boy. That first gear is something serious in these Scats, man. That torque, the low end torque in these cars is ridiculous, bro. Oh yeah, I like this. Listen to them pops, man. And that's fourth gear. Let me break the thing down for y'all one time. Hey, soon though, I got me drifting around these roundabouts, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I got y'all. This content about to go crazy with this Scatty, man. Hold on, do I gotta stop if they fly past here? Oh, look at these bikers, man. Come on, man. Fuck, better be lucky I'm a good driver, bro. I seen them. But yeah, man, I'm about to pull up here, man. I'm gonna cut the other camera on once we get over here. I can see, so y'all can see me, and I can kind of, you know what I'm saying, explain my goofiness right now. Alright, man, so this is gonna be the end of this video. I really hope them GoPro videos came out good, because I don't know what they look like. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? This is just a little test run with the GoPro, bro. Let me know where y'all want me to mount it at. Let me know if y'all like the video. Want to see more videos like that, you know what I'm saying? Give me some ideas. And I need help with a rap idea, y'all. So in the comments, can y'all please put an idea, a color or whatever, bro, to rap my car, bro. Because right now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm drawing blanks. I got so many ideas that I don't know what to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I ordered my pedal commander. I ordered my oil catch can. So, you know what I'm saying? The Scat coming together, you know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all an update video on that too, eventually. But yeah, man, I think we got another car meet coming up this weekend. So y'all know the boy don't get Fulio again, you know what I'm saying? Per usual. I'm finna get Fulio right now though. Man, this Scat go crazy, bro. It's so fast, bro. So effortless, like I just don't get it, bro. For it to be so big, it's this fast, it's moving like that. But yeah, man, this is probably the end of this video. I just want to give y'all a POV driving video, you know what I'm saying? See what it do, see what it look like. But yeah, stay tuned for that next video, man. We're going crazy. And go follow my Instagram at SRTified.JD. SRTified.JD, bro. Go follow my Instagram, because I'm finna start posting more on there. I'm trying to get in this little TikTok thing too, but TikTok be making me mad sometimes, so. Yeah, but keep supporting, man. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road to the top. We're on the way to 3K. Y'all gotta keep running me up, though. Y'all see what we doing, and I ain't even doing numbers yet. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what's happening. So keep supporting me, man. Keep watching my videos. Keep liking, commenting, sharing, all that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, I see y'all boys on this video. SRTified.JD out, man.